We're really happy we made the decision to install the new Neoverse, the BES NV screens and software. It's really taken our bowling alley to a whole new level. It's done wonders. We've seen increase in overall sales, time spent on lanes, better productivity for the staff. We've integrated it with all of our other systems, including our new Cubica kiosks. So it's just streamlined everything from customer check-in point to the bowling experience and onwards. Highly recommend that you consider it for your small business, particularly if you're trying to take a footprint and really give the customers something they haven't seen before. It really has to be seen to be believed. It's uplifted the bowling experience, so immerse yourself in Neoverse.